Hey guys, welcome to Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady. Okay, lots to talk about today. It is a gorgeous day here. It is like 68 degrees and the sun's shining, and I just thought, okay, I think we need to chat. So I got out here on the porch and we're gonna have a little chat. All right, lots to talk about today. First of all, I'm wearing my BelleTress Intelligentsia in Butterbeer Blonde. I love it. But when I put this wig on this morning, I thought, this is a good thing for us to talk about. I can tell I need to run some heat through the ends of this wig. I have had this wig a year at least, I think. I don't know, I'd have to look back. I have several of these in lots of different colors. I love this wig. I love the shape of this. It's easy to wear, but it is heat friendly. And I am feeling like the ends do absolutely need some heat. So I thought that's a good thing for us to talk about, how I do that. So I wanted to show you just another favorite heat-friendly wig that I have. I think BelleTress makes beautiful wigs. I really do. This is my Bona Vita in British Milk Tea. I have not reviewed this color on this wig yet. I'm just taking it out. It still has the tags on it, as you can see. I'm kind of unboxing it for you, but I just want you to see this color. This is so beautiful. I have Bona Vita in I don't know, Butterbeer Blonde, I think, or I don't know. I know at least two other colors. I just think it's such a beautiful style, so I wanted to get it in this beautiful British Milk Tea. Just want to show you the inside of its cap. Has that lace front and mono part. Little bit of permatease here. Not much to even speak of. It's open wefted, has closed ear tabs, a non-extended felt nape with pull adjusters. And there's some stretch here, but just Bona Vita is just such a pretty style. Okay, let's talk about heat-friendly fibers and how to take care of them. Now, the first thing, of course, you're gonna need a few things, but the first thing you're, of course, gonna need always is a wide tooth comb to run through this ends. Now, when I take off this wig today, the first thing I'm gonna do is spray it with some this is just what I use, the HD Smooth Detangler from Jon Renau. I will spray it, the ends of it, really well, and then I will work through the ends with my wide tooth comb to get all the tangles out. Now today, I'm gonna run some heat through it when I take it off. Now I'll put it on a blockhead to do that so I can get it done really smoothly. So I'll pin it to a blockhead and I will smooth the ends. Couple ways you can do that. You can use a hot air brush. Now this one is old. This one is a Helen of Troy. I don't even think they make this one anymore. I think it's been discontinued, but Hot Tools makes a great one. I just like this one because I've had it for so long and it works great. But you've seen me, I have a video on how to do it. Run this through the ends and you can smooth it out that way. I also use this on my regular synthetic. Disclaimer, be careful, you can ruin your hair. You do not want to do that. So I'm just saying, this is a disclaimer. Do this at your own risk. But every wig that I have that has bangs, when I put it on, I run this hot air brush. Keep it moving through the bangs just to bump them under. That's just the way I like to do it. I love this thing. I cannot live without a hot air brush. I use it all the time. Now, on these HD wigs, you could also use a flat iron or a curling iron. Key being, I like to get one, and you need to get one that you can control the heat. Different manufacturers recommend different heat. I usually keep mine between 300, around 300. I try, the lower the better. The lower you can use it, and you know, to get your result, the better off you are. But I would certainly never go over 325. Try to keep mine around between 280, 300 degrees. And you can smooth it using this. If you want to curl it under, you can have this one and just go under it. Now, first, let me say, before you start, I section mine off like I said, I put it on the blockhead, I will section it off. And each section, before I run any heat on it, I'm going to use either a heat protectant. John Renault makes a heat protectant, or I tend to just use some water. And I will spray that section with some water before I start putting the heat on. That's just my way. Now keep in mind, this is just my opinion and the way I do it. I'm not telling you that's how you should do it. I'm telling you this is how I do it. So if you have a different way, that's great. I will spray each section, and I will either use my flat iron and I will smooth it out, and usually I curl mine under just a hair. That's just how I like it, by sections that I have already sprayed with water, and I will just start that process and go all the way, and I will do all this bottom, and that will smooth it right out. You can do the same thing with a curling iron and just smooth it out, either make it straight or you can curl it under just a little. That's perfectly however you want to do it. But those are some tools that you can use to smooth your ends, and this one definitely needs it, and I am going to do it as soon as I take it off today. Okay, so that was just a little tutorial on how I do that. Now let's talk about a little makeup. Well, you know, Sephora had their big VIB Rouge sale, and I love that because I can pick up things I'm out of or things that I might want to try, and you know, you save a little bit of money, so that's always a good thing. So I was just going to show you a few of the things that I got from them during this sale. So something I had, okay, last time we talked, I had told you I bought the, I believe I told you, and if I didn't, I'm telling you now, I bought the Huda Beauty, and my color is Shortbread. This is the Luminous Matte Full Coverage Foundation. Now, this, someone recommended this to me for filming. I normally always use Estee Lauder Double Wear, but someone told me about this. Okay, the first time I used it, I did not like it at all. I thought, oh, it's very thick. I thought, oh, it just didn't have a, it was not pretty. I did not like it at all. However, now I have learned, I used my Dior primer, and then I used the smallest amount of this, and I know now I was trying to use way too much. I used one little pump of this, did my whole face, and it is a beautiful coverage. So just a, you know, that was just a lesson for me. At first I thought, oh, I hate that. I'm not gonna wear it. I don't like that at all. And then I did a little research, changed it up a little bit, tried it a little different, and perfect. I really, really like that. So I'm glad I got this, and I have filmed wearing it, and I have liked it. So that's a good one. Also, another beautiful foundation I tried and I really wanted to was the Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation from Shiseido. Wow, I have it in porcelain. This is another, oh my gosh, beautiful foundation. So I have heard so much about this, and I've been wanting to try it. It's a little pricey, of course, as most of these higher end brands are. So, and this one has an SPF of 30. So I wanted to try it, so I waited till they had their sale, and I got some, and I really like that. And it's kind of nice for filming as well. So at least I have some options now, I feel like. I got this Beauty Bento eyeshadow trio, and the color I have is Chocolate Dahlia. I had seen this, one of the makeup gurus had it, and I thought, how neat for travel. It comes in this little stack, and then it just opens each one. I think it's so neat. 3 different colors, very wearable colors. I wear this one as a liner, and then you have these other 2 that are perfect. This is, I love it. Very great. Just throw that in your bag for travel. And it's made by this KAJA, and it's called Beauty Bento. Love it. I think I might need that in some other colors. It comes in some different shades, but that's the one I had seen, and I thought, oh, I really want to try it, and I'm glad I did. Now, I had mentioned before, if you're not following my friend Marlene from Fab and Glam Over 50, please do. She is wonderful. She has the best. She has a wig channel, Marlene's Wig and Chat Studio, and she has a beauty channel, Fab and Glam Over 50, and she gives me the best beauty advice. Oh my gosh, I don't hardly ever buy anything that I don't check with her first. So if you're not following her, please do. She told me about this Viseart palette, and I have never tried Viseart, and I have always wanted to. It's expensive, and I just didn't know which one to try or what to try, and I think they have some large palettes, but she told me about this Petite Pro one. And so I ordered it during the sale, and she was right. Look at this adorable packaging. Try not to blind you there. Really, really wearable colors. I wore this to work, and I was like, yes, I'm hooked. I am hooked on this palette. And I know they have some other beautiful colors, but I just wanted to try this one, and I'm really glad I did. That's nice. No fallout, smooth, goes on like butter. It's so smooth and beautiful. Love it. Great, great buy there. This is a repurchase for me. This Kylie Skin Sugar Lip Scrub. I love this stuff. I put this on at night. It's just a nice lip scrub. Comes with this little applicator if you want to use that. And I will put this on. I have super dry skin and my lips are so dry, but this is such a nice scrub. It's vegan. It smells like honey. It is wonderful. Put it on, scrub my lips, and then I get in the shower and wash it off. And yeah, makes a huge difference of how my lipstick applies. I really, really like that. So, that's a repurchase. Like it. Wanted to pick it up while it was on sale. Another thing Marlene had recommended to me for an everyday True Match Nude Tinted Serum. And I have it in number 2/3 Light Pale. This is a great everyday foundation. So glad I got it. It's really, really pretty. I used this the first day and I thought, this is my go-to for work. This is a nice, it's very light. It's not full coverage, anything like that. It's more of a serum, but it is beautiful, beautiful on the skin. So if you're looking for a nice, everyday, inexpensive, try L'Oreal True Match Nude. Yeah, like that a lot. I picked up my favorite mascara for my lower lashes. Now, you know, I still love the Hourglass for my top lashes, but I have used this for I don't know how long, the It Cosmetics Tightline 3-in-1, they call it eyeliner, mascara, just a mascara. But the reason I love this so much is look how small that wand is. It is the perfect under eye mascara. I'm never without it. I buy a backup, always have to have that. Also, I picked up from The Ordinary, and I'm really liking the products by The Ordinary. They're not expensive. They are really nice. This is the Buffet, and it's a peptide serum, and I love it. So nice. I will put this on and then put my moisturizer on top of this. This is such a nice skin serum. The Ordinary. I'm really enjoying this product. Also, I love their vitamin C. I like vitamin C. I use it. And I'm telling you, this is so super inexpensive, but it has 23% vitamin C suspension. It is a little grainy, so I use it at night and I mix it with my moisturizer, and it has made a difference in my skin. I'm a big fan of vitamin C, and really like that. I bought my daughter some of that as well. I really want her to try that. And then the last couple things I have came highly recommended was this Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner. Yes, love it. It's soft. It lines so well. It does not grab in any way. I think it is wonderful. I'm definitely going to get this in more colors. This one is number 4. Creme de la Creme. That's the name of this one, number 4. And I want it in more colors. Love it. Love, love, love. And then I just picked up some of my all-time old favorite. My, you know, I love the NYX Butter Gloss, the NYX Butter Gloss in Angel Food Cake. I always have this on hand. Always, always, always. I love it. That is just everyday good, filming good, everything about it. All right, guys, that's what I got. I hope you enjoyed this little makeup talk, wig talk. I enjoyed it. It's so much fun. I'm so glad we're back to Coffee with the Crazy Wig Lady. Next time, I think I'm going to show you some of the new wigs I've gotten. I'm doing a lot of reviewing, so be sure to check out my YouTube channel. And lots of fun things happening over there. I'm starting a little series there called Wig of the Week. And I'm just going to pick a random wig that I wear a lot, that I enjoy. And I'm going to do like a 3-minute short video on it, looking at the color, telling you why I like it. It's not a wig review. I've already reviewed all the wigs we're going to talk about on Wig of the Week. But it is just an overview, a quick overview of specs, things I like about it, how I think it has worn, and little things like that. So check that out on YouTube, Wig of the Week. It's going to be probably every Wednesday. Okay, guys. This was so fun. So join me next month. We're going to do this once a month now. That's my goal. And we will talk about wigs, more wigs next time, more makeup. By then, I'm sure I'll have more makeup to share. So I will see you next time. Have a great day.